This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house at 12 to 3, sun 12 to 2 o'clock, new quartz countertops and new backsplash. Original owner, classically designed, custom built and well-appointed, 3,474 square feet. Home in secluded neighborhood of 73 homes. This brick home has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, with a bonus room that could be the second primary ensuite. Dental molding and trim created by craftsmen graces the home with a Williamsburg quality. The dramatic 2-story foyer welcomes you into gracious living spaces with mahogany walls, custom bookcases, and a wet bar. The kitchen is huge with sun-filled bay window for enjoying meals while looking at the birds and butterflies in the park-like backyard. Expansive primary suite with walk-in closet and large bath. Outdoor living spaces with new deck, 3-season covered brick patio, water feature, and a splendid display of trees and flowers, carefully selected and cared for over 30 years. Carpet replaced 2022. Roof replaced 2017. Heating/cooling systems replaced 2015. Hot water heater was replaced in 2019. For more information, review the details below.